Hi, I'm Darley Newman, and we are skiing in the mall in New Jersey.
Justin's taking me indoor skydiving with iFLY. It is wild.
We're diving into Bangladeshi cuisine here in Jersey City at Korai Kitchen.
It's a global intermingling of people represented here then and now. That is indeed unique.
This is really one of the best vantage points to see Lady Liberty, the Statue of Liberty.
We're swimming with the sharks at the SEA LIFE Aquarium.
Walking through history in Hoboken, New Jersey. We're looking at former landfills that have been restored and are now habitats for bird life and beautiful nature here in the Meadowlands.
This episode is full of surprises. You really do appreciate them more when you see them swimming above you.
Yep. How beautiful is that?
My cheese workout. This is such a wow moment.
It is a wow moment.
Welcome to Travels with Darley in Hudson County in the Meadowlands in New Jersey.